Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the x-intercept of the graph shown is x, 0, and we're asked what is the value of x. So the x-intercept of the graph is where the curve intersects the x-axis. This line right here, we can see that this happens at this point, right? We have some x value, and the y value, the value represented on this axis, is right here, which is 0. So what is this value of x? Well, we're taking this point right here. The value of x is halfway between 6 and 8. If that's not obvious to you, you could do 6 plus 8 over 2, which finds the exact value of the number in between them. 6 plus 8 is 14 over 2, which is 7. So therefore the x-intercept is 7, 0. This is the same as x, 0. Therefore x is equal to 7.